Hey friends, Natalie here today, and I'm going to be working in my memory planner from Paper House Productions. And so I'm going to work on September, the first week. And so what I'm doing here is I'm going to the back, and they have these nifty little tab stickers. And so I put the scripty one on the front tab and the block one on the back tab. And I will do a month in review, but I didn't have the photos printed yet for that. So I'm going to do the first page, and then I turn there and I'm like, what's going on? And so it looks like just a misprint. So I'm not sure if everybody's has that, but I tell you what I'm going to do is probably either can hold ephemera or I can stick the two pages together. Either way, and then I'll be like, it never even happened. So I wanted to show you how I print my photos for my memory keeper. It's a 4x6 regular photo, and I just do a collage and put 3 on there. So they're about 2 inches wide and 6 inches long. And so now what I've done is I've gone through my planner, and with a pencil I've lightly written the days so that I can know where they go. And then I also, and there's the stamps I'm going to use, and then I've also written the days on the back, so that way I can make sure I have enough pictures on each spread. And you know, some pictures are not necessarily going to be on the day that they were taken. Like right here, that photo of my kitchen was duplicative of a day that I already have a photo on. So I set it aside because that story of my kitchen renovation can be told within the month. We were working on that for months, so it's not going to matter if it wasn't on the exact day that I took that picture. So now here I am stamping my numbers. The first was on a Sunday, so it's on a page all by itself, so I have to figure out what to do with that page, but we'll work on that another day. So I stamped out the dates. And now these, I love these. These are so gorgeous. This is the fall sticker pack. This is for September and November because October has its own Halloween themed sticker pack from Paper House Productions. And those are so pretty. Those like orange and purple flowers are so gorgeous. So now I'm adhering down all my photos. And I have this one, and it wouldn't quite fit into a 2x6. And so I made it a little shorter, but I just wanted to include it because it was so cute. So now I'm going to stick that down, and basically I like to space my pictures out enough to tell stories. So over here I want to tell a story about we went out of town for the weekend. So I'm going to use that entire block to tell the story of what we did that weekend. And we went out of town for my brother's shower, and I like to use stamps in my memory planner too because, I don't know, just changes it up from viewing my handwriting the whole time. So there I've told, and so that story is stuck in between the two pictures from that weekend. And I'm kind of working backwards here. I'm working on the end of the week, and now I'm going to go back and work on the beginning of the week, but that's okay. Add another stamp there at the bottom. And then over here, I have the cutest, first I'm going to stamp the Monday stamp down there because that's what they're doing, resting up for Monday. But I had the cutest story of my little guy, and so I stuck it between a picture of him and a picture of, he asked if that was a caterpillar filled with those little, I don't even know what they are, but I just thought it was so cute. So I had to write that down. And now I'm just gonna make the page a little fallish, add a stamp, cover up that with a different orange sticker, and then I'm gonna add these die cut leaves and then add a pumpkin on top of it because it is pumpkin spice season. I hold off, but on September 1 it's pumpkin spice season. And this is just what this is for. This memory keeper just is for the little stories that I'm not gonna make a whole scrapbook page about, but I still want to tell. So stories like that I told about my son, the cute little thing that he said, that didn't need a whole scrapbook page, so it's perfect to house here in my memory planner. And I'm just gonna add a fall washi strip at the top. That's for my stash, but it matched the colors beautifully. And I think that's it. Some close-up photos to follow. Use my code PH19Natalie to get 20% off all your orders at Paper House Productions, and I'll drop all the links down below. Thanks for looking, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye, y'all.